pairs in each element is either 0 or 1. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So give me an element and let's see whether it generates.
Basketball.
1.
Well, pick one of these and we're going to see if it generates.
0, 1.
Let's try it. 1 times 0, 1 is 0, 1. 2 times 0, 1 is what?
0,
0. 2 times,
3. Is it 0, 0?
yep, 0, 0. 3 times 0, 1,
0, 1.
4 times 0, 1.
0, 0.
So,
It repeats itself.
yeah. So I'm not getting 1, 0, and I'm not getting 1, 1.
Okay.
So that means that 0, 1 is not a generator.
Okay.
By taking multiples, I don't get everything in the group.
Sure,
So,
Don.
Yeah.
I'm just going to put a little X on that one to note that it's not a generator.
Do you wanna go
And
over
obviously
stuff
this one's
tomorrow?
not a generator because all of
Yes.
its multiples are 0,
What time?
0.
I'm actually.
all day.
I can be here all day also.
I go with 1, 1.
Let's try it.
Do you just want to start on the review and just
Seems
go all
like
the way through?
everything with the 0 is going to
That,
be.
okay.
But I also want to
Yeah.
go through the new stuff. As
If
we
I have a
go.
0 here, I'm
Same.
never going
Go
to get
through
a
the
1 as
review
my
all the
second
way through, 'cause
entry.
you'll be-
So
you'll
1, 1,
be able to
if
do it,
anything's
right?
going to work,
Yeah.
it's going to be this one.
All right. So.
1 times 1, 1 is 1, 1. 2 times 1, 1.
0, 0.
Yeah, I've got like so much. It's like,
3 times 1,
oh
1.
no, I know. I need to make a good grade. I made a 70 on the first test. I'm hoping that's the drop
I'm going to
one.
start repeating, right?
You're right.
So
Interesting.
none of these is a generator,
it's
which
not
means that this is not a cyclic group.
And all that means, that notation means is mod 2 times mod 2.
Yep, it means Z mod 2 crossed with Z
What
mod
does Z
2.
mean?
Integers. So something to notice is that Z mod 4Z is a group with 4 elements. Z mod 2 cross Z mod 2 also has 4 elements.
Only because it's 2 times 2.
This guy is cyclic and this one isn't. So now, to make a connection to what we were doing, let's say that we have exactly 4 rational points on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we look, well, actually we'd have 3 down here. 1, 2, 3, and infinity, which we're going to call 0. 3 points down here, and infinity. Each of these, if I look at the group that's generated by these points, is going to be a group with 4 elements. But one of them might be the same as this in that it's cyclic, and one of them might be like this and not be cyclic. In fact, the one that's not cyclic is going to look like this. And our 3 points are going to be like this.
That's if it's not cyclic.
Yeah, if it's this guy, it's going to look like this, and here's why. Notice that in the addition table for this one, zero, 0 plus anything is just, it doesn't change it. 0, 0 plus 1, 0 is 1, 0. The same thing's going to happen here. If I take any point and I add 0, it's going to leave it unchanged. But for all the rest of them, 0, 1 plus 1, 0 is 1, 1. 0, 1 plus 1, 1
Is 1, 0.
is
Oh, yeah, it's
1, 0, like you say. And 0, 1 when to itself is going to be 0. Now let's think about if I have a point here. If I take this point plus this one, then it gives me the third one, which reflected is the same. So this one plus this one equals this one. And this one plus this one is going to be this guy reflected, which is itself. This one plus this one plus this one is the third one. This one plus the third one is the second one. And, well, maybe we should just label them. P1, P2, P3. P1 plus P2 is P3. P1 plus P3 is P2. And P1 plus itself is 0. And P1, to add it to itself, you take the tangent line, which is vertical, so the third point is 0. Whereas on this one, if you add, you take the line through here, it turns out to be tangent at this point, and you reflect it, you get this one.
Okay.
So P1 plus P2 is P3. P1 plus P3, so this is 2P1. P1 plus P3 is this guy reflected up here. Oh, sorry, this is 2P1. This one plus this one will be 3P1. And then this one plus, how do we get it? This one plus this one. Stars itself reflects here. This one and this one. Star is itself reflects here. So for 4, it's this one plus this one. I'm confused. I'm expecting to get
It's just gonna rotate
infinity.
each side. Will you get infinity on this? Because every single point that you base off of P1 is just gonna alternate back and forth like this. And
That's
it's
what it
gonna
looks like. So I'm guessing that my sketch is wrong. Because I should end up with 4P1 equals 0, just like here. This is like the 1 times P1, 2 times P1, 3 times P1, and 4 times P1 is going to be the 0 element. So in one case you have 4 elements and it's cyclic. In the other case you have 4 elements and it's like this guy instead.